knew you'd come. I knew.
That's not a stock music track. That's not a generic AI voice. That is a custom audio experience built specifically for this story. And again, the agent maintains context. The music it generates for the space scenes has that cold, isolated feeling we established at the very beginning. It's all connected. We're in the home stretch now. We have our video clips. We have our audio. Now it's time to put it all together. I'm going to ask the agent to assemble everything into a final cut. Assemble all the generated video clips and audio into a final short film. Add the music score as the background track. Sync the voiceover to the correct scenes. And add subtle sound effects. Space ambiance, breathing, distant static. Export it as a final video file. And this is where Luma Agent really earns its title as an end-to-end creative system. It's not just generating assets, it's coordinating them. It knows which clip goes where. It knows when the music should swell and when it should pull back. It's thinking about the film as a whole, not just individual pieces. This is what used to require a full post-production team and weeks of editing.